So students, in IUPAC system, the continuation of IUPAC system, primary amines are named as alkanamines. The name derived by removing the final E of the name from parent alkane, adding the suffix amine. For example, methylamine, methanamine, ethanamine, propane, 2-amine. In common system, what we have seen that the word amines after the name of alkyl group or group attached to the nitrogen. Here, the removing the final E of the name from parent alkane. Parent alkane is the particular compounds. We have to remove the final E of the name from parent alkane, adding the suffix amine. Example, methanamine, ethanamine, propane, 2-amine. Secondary amine, here the secondary amine and tertiary amines are named as N-substituted derivatives of alkanamines. For example, N-methyl, methanamine, N-methyl, ethanamine. Okay, tertiary amine it is butane, 2-amine, N-dimethyl, methanamine, N-dimethyl, ethanamine. Okay. Um, Structure of amines. Here ammonia, structure of amines. Ammonia molecule is pyramidal with nitrogen at the apex of the pyramid and a hydrogen atom at each corner of its triangular base. So in the formation of ammonia molecule, nitrogen uses its sp3 hybrid orbitals which are directed to the corners of the tetrahedron, because nitrogen it is atomic number 7, so the hydrogen it is 1s1 it is overlap with the 3 nitrogen atoms. One it will be a fourth one, it will be a unshared pair of electrons. You see the structures. So 3 of these sp3 hybrid orbitals which contain a single electron overlap this s orbital of hydrogen atoms, whereas the fourth contains unshared pair of electrons. So since the amines are mainly simply ammonia derivatives, which one or more hydrogen atom have been replaced by alkyl groups. So we can expect amines to be a pyramidal. So it has been show the diagram, that structure. The trimethyl amine is pyramidal. That example figure that is carbon hydrogen C angle it is about 108 degree Armstrong. Next, nearly the same as the hydrogen and nitrogen, that is ammonia angle it is 107 degree in ammonia. So it is found that what we found that from this ammonia dimethyl amine, the molecule in which nitrogen carries 3 different groups is not superimposable on its mirror image. Okay, hence it is asymmetric, sorry, dissymmetric. So such molecules should be optically active. So these are the optically active compounds, superimposable, not superimposable on its mirror image. Okay. The next, the mixed, for example, the mixed enantiomers of methyl, ethyl and propylamine, if you are taking as an example, it is extinct in 2 enantiomeric form 1 and 2, each of which might be expected to show optical activity figure, but enantiomers of this kind cannot be resolved because they interconvert rapidly. So the rapid conversion takes place because although the amine molecule is chiral due to the presence of asymmetric nitrogen atom, the 2 enantiomers cannot be separated, they rapidly interconvert. So the interconversion, it is the rapid interconversion, it is known as configuration inversion or flipping. So this chiral in the sense surrounding the molecule, the chiral carbon containing 4 chiral sites, that is only chiral. Even a chiral, this amine molecule it is a chiral, but due to the presence of an asymmetric nitrogen atom, so it is having the different methyl group, ethyl group. We have C3H7. So 2 enantiomers cannot be separated by the rapidly interconvert. So that rapidly interconversion known as configuration inversion of flipping has been supported by spectroscopic studies. We can supporting take place spectroscopical studies. So from these, the energy barrier for the interconversion of 2 enantiomers is not high, but being equal to about 6 kilocalorie mole minus 1 for simple amines. So from these, this gives rise to the high frequency of interconversion a result of two enantiomers of asymmetric amines, but it cannot be separated by the amines do not exhibit optical activity. So ammonia trimethylamine, it is optically active compound. These enantiomers mix of methyl, ethyl and propylamine, it is the optically they are not optical activity, optically inactive. So next, preparation of amines. Preparation of amines, the reduction of nitro compounds. Methods of preparation of amines, that is reduction of nitro compounds. So here the reduction of nitro compounds on reduction yield primary amines. This method is particularly for the preparation of aromatic amines. The reduction of nitro compounds also gained for the popularity for the aliphatic amines also. So the commercial preparation of aliphatic nitro compounds also it is used. So the reaction it is affected by various means, that is chemical reduction, catalytic hydrogenation. These are the methods by reduction it is used. Here chemical reduction, the use of tin and hydrochloric acids, stannous chloride, hydrochloric acid and other acids we can use. Next, reduction of nitriles. Reduction of nitriles in the sense C triple bond N or cyanide or C triple bond N with the central formula. Reduction of oxime C or reduction of oxime. It is RNOH general formula. It is RCONH2. It is amides. Reductive amination of aldehydes and ketones. It is carbonyl compounds. We can reduction by amination. Reduction of acyl halide. That is acyl halide. It is RCOCl. We will get these methods. By this method we can give amine. We can get the amine. Next, reduction of nitro compounds. Reduction of nitro compounds. This is the first one, chemical reduction and catalytic reduction. The chemical reduction, first one, it is conducted in the laboratory by introducing the hydrochloric acid, the mixture of nitro compound, that is ethyl, that is nitroethane C2H5NO2, undergo reduction in the hydrochloric acid in acidic medium. In the presence of metal like tin and granulated tin and iron or iron, we are getting ethyl amine, that is primary amine. Okay, that is in acidic medium, an amine is obtained in the form of its salt. The free amine is obtained by decomposing the salt with the base. We can get after steam distilling, distillation from the reaction mixture. After steam distillation we can get the product from the mixture, final product. So nitroethane undergoes reduction in the presence of acetylene in the presence of acid. Ethyl amine, it is primary amine. Next nitroethane chemical reduction can also be brought about the complex metal hydrides like lithium aluminum hydride, particularly in case of aliphatic nitro compounds. So suppose nitroethane we can use as a lithium aluminum hydride, that is lithium aluminum hydride, it is the complex metal hydride. So we can use by the reduction of the nitroethane we will get the ethyl amine. Okay, so if amine obtained is contaminated with organic original nitro compound, the mixture of two is we can shaken with aqueous acid when the amine is being basic. Amine being basic, it is a basic dissolves, while the nitro compounds it will not get dissolved. So amine is regenerated by basifying the salt. We have to basify and is extracted with an organic solvent. We can purify with the organic solvent. Okay, amine. So the catalytic reduction, next hydrogenation of a nitro compound amine takes place when a solution of the nitro compound in alcohol shaken with a in the presence of nickel or platinum with hydrogen gas. For example, the nitrobenzene, orthonitrotoluene undergoes reduction in the presence of nickel. We can get orthoaminotoluene or orthotoluene. Next, so next another one, it is orthonitroacetanilide, orthoaminoacetanilide we are getting. Okay, so this is the reduction of nitro compounds, that is aliphatic